Powamoto. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his
For more Mafia, Powamoto.
Yes,
All right.
Powamoto. Welcome to the party, South Florida. I'm so happy to be here, man.
All right, this guy. Hey, who's your #1 fan tonight?
Man, Powamoto is hooking us up, dude. South Florida in the house representing. I love it.
This guy is good. I see the pro. Who's your #1 fan? Who's your #1 fan?
You really do be in the comment section killing it, man.
Who's your #1 fan?
Powamoto right here, baby. Powamoto.
Viewers about MotoMac, because they heard. They watching Fastlane D in South Florida on Powamoto. So what does MotoMac bring to the table?
I mean, MotoMac is just a dude that just likes to go out there and have fun and do some competing.
That's my guy.
Friendly competing.
That's my guy.
Brand new bike, brand new adventure, so I'm just trying to get
That's my guy.
Appreciate
And hit me up, Powamoto, Powamoto.
I know you.
You better know me.
I know you, bro. That's
Loudest motherfucker in Florida. Yeah, let's
Appreciate all
go.
the support.
Where's Jude Nuggets?
Subscribe today!
I'm Sky Champion, Powamoto. Busa legend #1 on Powamoto. Subscribe today. Oh man! Powamoto.
I'm in Mexico on Powamoto. Nice to see you again. Looking like a pro, always. Asia #1.
Yes, sir.
I love this girl. Hey, we're next.
And if you like this video, check out these other 2 similar videos. And I'll see you on the next one. We out!